We do have the chance for some stronger storms later this afternoon, but it's more of a risk for hail and gusty winds and lightning and not so much of a tornado risk. We'll talk about that in a second. First, let's talk about where we're seeing a little bit of rain right now. Most of the rain moving through Palm Beach County. Some of the roads will be wet as we've had rain overnight as well. Sienna Oaks neighborhood, Lost Tree getting some light rain. Some rain along 95 near the South Florida Science Center and a little bit of rain around Binks Forest, Wellington and Aero Club. Now you'll see that we are going to have some rain sticking around through the early morning hours. By later morning, though, we do get a break in the rain through about lunchtime or 1 o'clock. After 1 o'clock, we start to see the chance for rain and storms picking back up. And then we have another stormy afternoon ahead, 4, 5, 6 o'clock, some of those storms lingering around. And then even a little bit of rain could be hanging around as we head into the early evening and then clearing out eventually overnight. So really still stuck in that rainy pattern. So for this afternoon, we do have the chance for some strong to severe storms, isolated severe storms. The biggest risk would be wind gusts and frequent lightning. We could also see some hail up to about quarter size, and then there's a low tornado risk and a temporary flooding risk wherever we get stuck under some very heavy rain. That is for this afternoon. Your current temperatures right now, upper 60s and lower 70s around Lake O and along the Treasure Coast. Actually pretty mild, nice start to the morning there. Mid 70s in West Palm, Boynton and Boca. Will warm up pretty quickly today. We'll be in the mid 80s by 10 a.m. and then the upper 80s by 1 o'clock. Highs today in the upper 80s around the area. Going to feel just a tad bit warmer than that, though, thanks to some of the humidity in the air. Your 7-day forecast does show scattered rain and storms remaining in the forecast as we head into the weekend. And then next week, really with isolated to scattered rain each day, our typical summertime pattern.